Hey there guys, so if you have the issue with your LG refrigerator DH error, so this is a defrost heater. So what you need to do, you need to find a way how you can check the defrost heater, and there is something going to be with it. So the first thing is unplug the refrigerator. Then you want to locate the defrost heater is usually located behind the back panel inside the freezer compartment. You will need to remove any shelves and bins to access this panel. So you just want to look on where you can actually find it, and you want to inspect the frost buildup. Check for any excessive frost or ice buildup on the evaporator coils. So this is something that you want to actually check if there is any any ice buildup. And then if you have a multi-motor, you can also check the defrost heater for continuity. And if needed, you want to also replace the defrost heater. So disconnect it, remove it, install a new one, and things like that. So that's something that you want to check out. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.